How to make no one can tag you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can tag you on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile and click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and then just privacy, and scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and here you will find this one, no one. Click on it, and as you see now, no one can tag me. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.